How to change username on Paxful account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Paxful account. Paxful is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that enables users to buy, sell, and trade the Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies. Now, if you want to change your username on Paxful account, you will have to first open your Paxful account on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged into your account, use your login credentials to log into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will be asked to enter your PIN of your account to get access of it. If you have previously set your PIN, you will be asked to enter it here. Now once you enter the correct PIN, you will be guided to your account. Here on this page at the bottom, you will find various icons. Tap on that profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you will find the option Username. Go ahead and tap on that username to enter it. Here it says the username was automatically generated for you and it can only be changed once. So make sure you enter the correct one so that you don't regret later. To add a new username, tap on this username box and clear the previous one. Now you can enter your new username. Make sure that your username only consists the letters and numbers. Once you are satisfied with your username, now tap on this Save New Username option just below it. Once you tap on it, it will start loading and after a few seconds, you will see your username has been changed successfully. Here just below your username, you can see the newly updated username. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.